To download Audacity, just type in Audacity download into your web browser, click Downloads, and choose your operating system. Mine is Windows, and then install the Audacity installer. It's called Moose Hub. Go through the process of installing Moose Hub. I already have it installed, so it'll just open for me. And then once you have Moose Hub, download Audacity through it and launch it. I had a project already working on that I don't need anymore, so I'm just going to discard it. And if you get this pop up, just click the exit button. And now you can start working on files. So now grab the file you want to work on. I'll choose this one up top called So You Can Deal with the Things You've Been Through. I named it after the line of dialogue. Once you have your file inside of the software, right-click on the left empty space and click Spectrogram. And now you can see the static inside of the clip.
Well, the goal is to keep you safe.
Choose a spot that has just the static and zoom in by pressing and holding Control and scrolling your mouse scroller. Now that you have a section selected of just the static, go up into Effects. Now go down to Noise Removal and Repair. And click Noise Reduction. Click Get Noise Profile. It's getting the noise profile of the part you selected. Now, press Ctrl A to select the entire clip. Go back up into Effects, into that same noise reduction, and now we get to use the step 2. And we can change the sensitivity of how many similar frequencies to the static you want to remove. And the top is how many decibels you want to reduce the volume of the static. I have it set to 40. And frequency smoothing, I usually keep that up to 12. And click OK. And now Audacity will remove that static. Now you have a clean audio clip.
Well, the goal is to keep you safe so that you'll be able to deal with all the things you've been through.
And because you're now finished, go up to File and Export Audio. Export to Computer and select the folder in which you want to save it to. I will call this file cleaned audio. Now open it. Oh, and now name your file as cleaned at the end so you don't get it messed up with anything else. And now click save. And make sure your format is WAV and channel is put to stereo if it was a stereo track. And now click export. Now you will have your cleaned file inside of the folder that you chose.